What's up guys, you're watching another video. Today we have a new mod for the 350Z that I'm excited to throw on. I've been waiting for these to come in and they finally came in. I haven't made much 350Z videos in a while because the car's been sitting like this for the past maybe over a week. As you guys can see, the 350Z is on jacks, up in the air, and it also has no exhaust on. The reason why, as you guys can see, the exhaust is right there, the ugly ass exhaust. The reason why is because we tried to install the new exhaust. I have a full brand new exhaust for this car. The entire thing, the Y pipe, the full exhaust, the muffler, it's super freaking clean. I cannot wait to show you guys that video. I already filmed the majority of that video. I just haven't been able to finish it because we haven't been able to finish the exhaust install. When that video comes out, you guys will get to see how hard it was to install this exhaust. It was a pain in the ass. Look, well, I mean, obviously it's still not even on, so we still got to do that. Everything underneath is rusted. I have to go buy new bolts for the headers and the test pipes, so it's a pain in the ass. You guys will see that video once it comes out. But for now, the car's up in the air. It has no exhaust on. Pretty much just headers, if you guys want to see. No test pipes. It's literally coming out straight from the headers. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but there's no exhaust on the car. But yeah, this is the current situation right now, guys. It literally looks like an abandoned 350Z that you find at a junkyard. We really need to finish this car. I need to put the exhaust on. I need to hurry up and wrap the car so that it can actually look nice, because right now it still looks kind of crappy. It has some beautiful wheels on it, some Conce wheels, and that's pretty much it. I might start it up. I want to hear how this car sounds with straight out the headers. This car is already super loud with that stupid straight pipe, but I'm really curious to see how it sounds with just the headers. It's probably ridiculously loud, bro. So I'm gonna jack the car down, maybe start it real quick so you guys can hear it, because I want to hear it too. And then we'll get into the new parts that we got for the 350Z. I'm excited to install this. Let's jack this car up. Look, there's the exhaust. I don't want to reveal it yet because I kind of want it to be a surprise for you guys when I post the exhaust install video, but the new exhaust is just sitting there waiting to get installed. That shit is gonna be so loud, bro. I'm kind of scared to start it, guys. Oh, it's gonna be so loud. Straight out the headers, bro. That's how Z sounds, guys, with just the header. Doesn't even sound like a V2, bro. It sounds kind of like a V8 or something. Oh my god, bro. It's loud, but why does it kind of sound better than the old exhaust setup? Like the old straight pipe kind of sounded worse than this. It sounded more raspy. This just sounds deep, bro. Like it sounds like a little bit of a V8. That old exhaust setup is just too much. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared to take this on the street. It reminds me of my E46, bro. Like not street legal. Oh my god, it vibrates so much. My whole butt, bro, everything's vibrating. Like there's so much like drone. Let's just show you guys what we got for the Z, the new mod. I'm pretty excited for this one. So loud, bro. Imagine driving like that. It's so loud, bro. Imagine actually driving like that. All right, let's do this. All right, guys. Well, if you guys don't remember, the homies at Dyna Performance, I'm gonna leave their Instagram right here. We got this beautiful steering wheel for the GTR off of them. All carbon fiber and Alcantara. I love the steering wheel. It's probably my favorite mod on the GTR. Especially because like I see it every single day and it's a mod that I hold on to every single day. I feel like the interiors of cars have to look really nice because it's like what you're seeing all the time. You're sitting in here, you're driving it, and you want to actually like feel the car, you know? But anyways, Dyna Performance, they specialize in carbon fiber parts for cars. They make tons of carbon fiber parts for all kinds of cars. Well, today they sent out a big old care package for us for the 350Z this time. Another thing that they specialize in are these carbon fiber overlays for the interior of cars. They not only sent out one, not two, but 3 pages full of carbon fiber overlays for the 350Z. Literally every piece of interior is gonna be carbon fiber on this car. So they're real carbon fiber overlays. Instead of replacing the whole entire panel, you just put these overlays on. They have like 3M tape on the back. They stick onto all the parts. This is for the dash, the speedometer, it's for the radio. There's a bunch of little pieces which I don't know where they go, but we're gonna find out. This is for like the steering wheel, all the buttons. We got the whole center console carbon fiber. We literally got every piece of carbon fiber on the interior that's gonna go on. I'm so freaking excited, bro. I've been waiting for this to come in. This is gonna make the interior look 100 times better. By the way, look how dirty the 350Z is. Like, how is it this dirty, bro? It's been raining like crazy, so that's why it's so dirty. Even the GTR. The GTR is kind of embarrassing. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys, but this has to be the dirtiest the GTR's ever been, bro. I've been driving it in the rain, in the dirt, everything, dude. It's so bad. Wow, the GTR is actually embarrassing. I can't believe I showed you guys that. I believe they sent out this whole entire piece to be carbon fiber, which is awesome because as you guys can see, there's a lot of like faded paint. All 350Zs have like a tendency to do this. I don't know if like, I think just Nissan just uses cheap paint. I was originally just gonna paint these things, but we're gonna see the carbon fiber pieces and see how that looks. And I believe we have these. So everything could get covered up because this is all ugly, bro. I was also gonna repaint this, but now that we have the carbon fiber overlays from Dyna Performance, we're gonna install those and it's gonna look 100 times better. Huge shout out to Dyna Performance. If you guys want any carbon fiber overlays for the inside of your car or carbon fiber steering wheels for the GTR, any other car, they got you. They're the carbon fiber plug, bro. They hit me up, they're like, we're gonna send you every single piece of 350Z carbon fiber parts that we have. They also have different types of carbon fiber too. I went with like the original carbon fiber pattern, but they have like forged carbon, dry carbon, satin carbon. I think they even have a red carbon fiber, which is kind of cool. I was tempted to do that. But yeah, let's unwrap all of these and let's see if we can get them installed today. All right. So what's cool is they already come with 3M tape on the back. Oops, this one's coming off. We gotta hurry up. But they already come with 3M tape on the back, which is perfect. You literally just throw it on the car. We're obviously gonna prep it though. I got alcohol right here and a microfiber. I'll put this on like that. So it's gonna show a little bit of gray, but honestly not that bad. It's gonna look pretty sick. Way better, bro, all carbon fiber like that. I'm not gonna lie, I hate doing little stickers and stuff. It kind of scares me because I feel like I got like one try and I don't want to mess it up. But we're gonna clean it with alcohol, make it all clean. Hopefully we don't mess up. We're just gonna go for it, bro. Take off the 3M tape. Damn, this is so sick, bro. It's gonna look crazy. I'm gonna start off with the center. I think that looks pretty good. It's pretty good, like it's not sticking right away, which is good because I can move it around still, just in case I mess up. But now that I like how it's placed, I'm gonna push it all down. But look at that, guys. It's already looking sick, bro. It would probably be better if you disassemble like the dash to put this on, but I'm too lazy. This is good enough. One piece on, probably like 20 other parts to go. Sheesh, look at that. It looks way better, bro. All right, let's see what else we got. I know we got a lot more pieces to go. So this is like a big piece that goes over this, which is kind of cool. I think it should hide up all the ugliness, to be honest. I don't think I've ever seen a Z with this much carbon, bro. Yeah, I kind of want to get this painted first, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I should paint it first before I install this, because it does show a lot of the black that's underneath. There's so many pieces. I think these are all for like when I had the radio in it. but this car no longer has the radio. And this would go right here. Damn, this is gonna look so sick. I want to get this all repainted black, and then we'll put the overlay of carbon fiber on top. So I think we might hold off on this center console part. It's honestly like a puzzle, bro. Like, where did these go? I'm literally looking around the whole car like, where does this go at? Oh, maybe it's this. Oh my god, I think they sent out even the vents, dude. And just follow the edges. Follow this one up. Damn. Wow, that looks sick. Bro, we're literally adding carbon fiber to the whole car. We're literally gonna carbon fiber the entire car. So sick, bro. Look at that. All that carbon fiber, bro. Since this car's already all chipped and stuff, I might have to wait again on these two. So these are gonna sit like that, which looks freaking badass. But the only thing is that there's a bunch of chips on here. Look how like cheap this paint is, bro. I could literally scratch off the freaking black. So I'm probably gonna have to get these repainted first before we throw these on, unfortunately. Damn it, I want to throw all this stuff on, but the freaking car, bro, is a piece of crap. Same for these go on like the headliner, which is gonna look really, really good. But this is all painted tan. I'm gonna redo the entire headliner in this car all black, and we're gonna paint everything else black too to match. So there's gonna be no more tan on here. So we're actually gonna have to wait for that as well. So much beautiful carbon fiber pieces, but we can't throw them on until we paint everything, bro. I'm just gonna try to do as much as we can do for now. That's pretty sick. This piece should be cool. Wow, I'm kind of scared to do this big piece, guys. This is a huge piece. Probably gonna start from the middle. The fitment is honestly really, really good, guys. All the sizes are perfect on the cutouts. Lining up everything's just kind of scary. Oh, this piece is sick, bro. Bro, that looks so good, guys. Look at that. All carbon fiber center console on the Z. We're really transforming the Z, bro. Look at that little piece. Oh, this looks crazy. And they're all real carbon fiber. Like, it just looks crazy. The center console's done. We got all this done. All of that. They even came with a little button, like I said. Look at that. Fits perfectly. Sheesh. Just imagine when this is all done, guys. All right, guys, so they also threw in these two pieces that go on the rear behind the seats right here. The little attention to detail, bro. Not like much people are gonna look back here, but it's gonna look good. Yeah, guys, this is actually a lot easier to install than I thought. I thought it was gonna be kind of hard, but super freaking simple. There you go. Just like that. Look how good that looks, guys. Just little pieces of carbon could just change a lot. Next, we have this piece that goes right here. There's literally so much carbon, bro. This has to be the most carbon that I've had in any car. I think they even sent this piece. We're not missing no pieces, bro. Maybe like that. Everything still works. Look, all the cabinets open. Looks sick, bro. We got the speakers too. This is so sick, bro. Dude, there's so much carbon fiber. All right, guys, unfortunately my GoPro died, but I think I'm gonna stop right there, take a little break from the carbon fiber parts. We still have tons of stuff to go, a bunch of little random pieces I have to figure out where they go. But the Z already looks a lot better, dude. Look at this. We got the carbon fiber dash, which looks really freaking clean. The whole carbon fiber center console. This looks super freaking sick, bro. We also got the little bit of carbon fiber accents in the back, on the speakers, on the doors. Honestly, it looks really freaking sick. I can't wait till we paint this black and repaint all this stuff black, put the new carbon fiber stuff on there. Same with the door panels. I want to paint those black first, and then we'll install the carbon fiber pieces that we have for that. It's coming along. We also got to throw in that other NRG seat. Maybe tomorrow me and Jordan will get to it and see if we can install the exhaust. I can't wait to hear the new exhaust. Hopefully it sounds a lot better. I'm pretty sure it is. That old exhaust setup was horrible, bro. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tiny mod. It was pretty fun to install. It was literally like a puzzle piece, bro. Trying to pick all those pieces and figure out where they go. We also got the wrap for the 350Z in. I don't want to show you guys the color, but I've never used this vinyl brand before, Vinyl Frog, but they sent out a roll and I'm excited to try it out on the 350Z. Guess what color this is, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, smash the like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, go cop the merch at shopfindingnick.com. We got new hoodies, new t-shirts, and they're almost all sold out. So if you guys want one, go grab them before they're gone, because they're almost gone forever. And also Diner Performance, their link is down below too. Shout out to Diner Performance for all the carbon fiber parts, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit, real shit, nigga.